Okay, hey guys, it's your boy, it's your boy Cool Car. That's not actually my name, but it's, my real name is Dakota. But, today, I'm going to be testing, my fire alarms in the living room. They're pretty loud, so I don't want our landlord getting mad, because this is just a rental house. So 3, 2, 1. Yes, I'm doing it with a rake. Sorry, I'm trying to hit the button. Alright, ready? Oh, that's loud. These do carbon monoxide too. Oh, that hurt my ears. Oh God. Yeah, this one went off too, and same with my mom's room in there, and my grandpa's room as well. Well, thank you for watching. That was so loud. Well, like and subscribe on this video, and bye.